Hello guys, welcome in Cool IT Help, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to change the default browser on Mac OS X. Right now, as you can see, I'm going to open one HTML file by just doing a double click on that file. So right now this file is opening inside the Safari. So this is the default browser right now. Now we want to change and we want to set other browser as a default browser. So in this example I'm going to set the Chrome browser as a default browser. So what we have to do, guys, simply go here on this Apple icon. Now click on the system preferences and this window will appear. So here we have to click on the general button. Now this page will appear. And which property we have to look for, you can see the default web browser settings here, and there's a drop down. So we are getting two options because we have only two browsers installed on this machine. Suppose if you have installed the more than two browsers, so that will appear here. So you have to just select that browser here and close that window. Now we will test that our Chrome become default browser or not. So this is the properties. This is a simple HTML file that I have created for the testing. Now I will do a double click on it. Now I'm waiting for the open to this HTML file. Now you can see, guys, that file is opened now with the Chrome browser. So we have set the Chrome browser as a default browser on this Mac. So the settings are working perfectly. I hope you found this video useful. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.